Now our next transaction is of 17 January 2020 and it says Mr. Abu Bakr didn't pay the due amount, thus treated as bad debts. That means we want to receive some amount from the customers, but due to some reason we are unable to recover that amount. So this is treated as bad debts. This is a personal indirect expense, right? So there is no direct area as such in Peachtree to deal with bad debts. So rather we will go in the banking option and we will go to receive money. So receive money, I'll go to receive money from customers and I'll select Abu Bakr. Now this 60,000 invoice is a bad debt. So I'll just write 60,000 here. And the date is 17th of January. You can mention any reference number and receipt number. Now it says that you are receiving cash in hand, but this is a bad debt, right? So you have to use some technique to write bad debt here so that it clears the receivable amount against this bad debt. So first of all, we will search for it, but it shows only cash and banks here. So what I can do, write 60,000 here and go in the journal option. Now in the journal option, you can see the behind the scenes accounting entry. Now here I have cash in hand selected, but we are not receiving cash. So we will just go down and select bad debts instead. Now here is bad debt 8610. I'll just select this and click OK. So now in cash account option, there is bad debt expense here and it is settled against this receivable amount. 60,000 is amount is cleared and it is paid. So I'll just click on save and click yes. Now it will show you the prompt that you have selected an account that is not typically used for cash transactions. Do you want to continue anyway? I'll click yes and then continue. Now if you want to see this entry again, you will go back from this previous transaction option. Go to previous transactions. Now this is my transaction and journal entry. Similarly, I'll click on journal entry. Bad debt expenses debit and receivable will be credited. So if you close this and open receive money again, it will ask you for the prompt to post it separately. Click yes and it will be posted. So that's how we deal with bad debts in Peachtree.